अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि सकीना ईसा मोहम्मद आए और फ्यूचर इंडिया बताए, मुस्तकबिल का इंडिया बताए।
Respected sir, madam and my beloved friend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I give some information future India. We wish our nation India be a developed one by 2020. So how can we make better India by 2020? First, we should do our job honestly and perfectly. Second, as a student, we should focus our full attention on study and do not waste valuable time in unnecessary things. Third, let us create job opportunity by founding factories so that unemployment problem might be solved. Fourth, let us aware the people about education by giving slogan each one teach one and root out illiteracy from our society. Fifth, let us abstain from ideology and casteism, regionalism and treat by each one as brother and sister. Sixth, let us keep our home, school and surrounding neat and clean by. Now I would like to. Seventh, let us respect our parents, teachers and be good caring to all. Now I would like to talk by my saying, we will overcome someday. We do believe in our heart.
थैंक यू। ये जी सकीना ईसा मोहम्मद जो फ्यूचर इंडिया हमें बता रही थी कि फ्यूचर में हमारा देश कौन कौन चीज़ों को, कौन कौन फैसिलिटी से आरास्ता पैरास्ता होगा।